Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to Coupon News. Today in this video I'm going to review the new smallest tripod. With this tripod we can make any type of videos. In this box we get a small bag here. Along with this bag there is a manual inside there. Here is the manual and warranty. Some items are there inside. We got you got 100 rupees Paytm cashback coupon, as well as some other products belong to this company or something. I got these two things, and okay, now I'm going to, along with that we have got a small carry bag to hold this can like a tripod, and we have a mobile holder. Now I'm going to review this tripod. Now let's go through the video. I'm taking off from the cover. This tripod is little bit heavy, but I feel that is the strongest one. We can place camera as well as this one. Everything is comes in a package. This is the mobile holder. We can hold your mobile over here. This is a tripod I ordered yesterday. There's one more option. We can extend this small tripod. It's very useful for you to hold this tripod in your hand and shoot videos. That's what I purchased this tripod. And as well as this was stronger. You can extend. You can place it on a table. You can use it a small mobile holder. You get with a 360 graphics. You can take this knob and hold this 360 degrees and rotate rotate 360 degrees around. Yeah, that's why I purchased this tripod. This tripod is heavy, little bit heavy compared to my hold. But it should be heavily, otherwise it may not comes with a good quality. And especially this knob will hold for some extent. It was very by using this knob we can tight or loose this one. According to us, we can use this tripod. We have to place this over here. Previously I have old tripod, but unfortunately my tripod, this plastic case was broken. That's why I purchased this instead of purchasing this plastic holder. That's complete this kit. This is the complete review of this the mini tripod. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel, hit like button. Don't forget to comment your valuable opinion. If you want to buy this product, check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to couponjuice.com. Follow me in my www.couponjuice.com and follow on my social media, Facebook, Insta and Twitter.